Happy Sunday football. So guys, every Sunday we're gonna open 2 value packs and hope we get something good out of them. I will be doing this until I finally get something worth it out of the value packs. Today we have the Panini Optic Donruss football. From these packs we can open downtowns, uptowns, double downtowns, and that is one of the cards that we're looking for. But for this specific series, we're gonna just try to get any of the valuable cards. Anything that you can pull from them, like the base hollows, freedom, related rookies, something that up the value on one of this. See if how long it will take us to put something out of value packs that is actually worth any money. All right, so let's get started. All right, let's go value packs, and hope you guys have a good Sunday with your team. All right, and we start with Say Jones, Patrick Surtain, James Cook, Joe Mixon. This actually injured. It's in my injury reserve team for my fantasy team. Gardner Minshew, Alvin Kamara, Antonio Gibson, Justin Jefferson, Jonas Smith, Tua, and nice Ezekiel Elliott. And we got rated rookie JJ McCarthy, the best card of this pack. All right, I take it. All right, pack number 2. Okay, so we have Nick Chubb, Michael Wilson, Zach Allen, Josh Allen, Mike Gesicki, Will Levis, Richard White, Zach Charbonnet, George Kittle, TJ Watt. Wow! What is this? This is a Brian Thomas Jr. rookie. That's the first time I see, but that is a nice freaking card. Is this a green velocity? And we have also Brian Murphy II. Wow, that's actually pretty cool. All right, I will continue pulling these 2 value packs every Sunday. See how much more stuff we can get actually. But please like, comment, and subscribe. That way I can continue doing this and continue bringing you guys a lot of content. Thank you for watching today. Again, happy Sunday.